So, good evening everyone and sir. My name is Matronilio Tibaldonado, the CEO of Mago Flash. So today, I'm proud to present our product, the Mago Flash, a unique and practical innovation that combines a drinking tumbler and a flashlight at the same time. The Mago Flash is created to give people convenience, safety, and sustainability all at the same time. It has a built-in flashlight powered by a solar panel, so it charges using sunlight. That means no need for batteries or electricity, just clean, renewable energy. This makes it perfect for travelers, campers, anyone who lies on the go. Especially during power outage or outdoor adventure, our mug is made from highly quality, eco-friendly materials like stainless steel or BPA-free plastic. It keeps drinks hot or cold for long hours and is sleek and lightweight design make it easy to bring anywhere. The Mago Flash is not just a tumbler. It's a symbol of innovation and care for the environment. It helps reduce waste and encourage people to use green energy in their everyday lives. Through this product, we want to show the simple ideas can create a big change. The Mago Flash is here to make life easier, smarter, and greener for everyone. Thank you and have a great day.